Guys, welcome to my channel where I share tricks and tips on digital marketing and how to make money online. Another inspirational videos just for you. If you are a new timer on this channel, please click the subscribe button and make sure you subscribe and click the notification to ensure that you get new videos from me. You get notified by YouTube when I post new videos that will help you in digital marketing and to make massive sales online. I welcome you to my channel once again, and I know you do so well to enjoy it. Thank you very much. If you are a returning subscriber and this current video you are watching has added value to you, please don't forget to like and use the hashtag that is attached in the comment section. Thank you.
So if you want to change the admin of your page, or you want to update the admin of your page, let's say you just hired a social media manager who manages your ad, or you want a social media manager to make posts on your pages. So this is exactly how you can add the person as an admin on your Facebook page. So having opened your page, let's say for example this is your page. As I can see, this page, I'm using it as a template. So you go to the settings. When you go to the setting, the page is going to load, and then you see all the settings there, and then you're going to click on page roles. When you click on page roles, then you will be able to add the new user. So you add a person, and then you select the name of the person, you enter the password, you select the name of the person, and then you would be able to do that. Just exactly how you can update the page role on Facebook. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and follow for more. Thank you.